In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pause in Speechify. If you want your audio to sound more natural, easier to follow, or better paced for listening, one of the simplest ways to do that in the Speechify Reader app is by using punctuation intentionally. Speechify automatically interprets common punctuation marks as pauses, so instead of looking for a separate pause button or timing control, you can shape the rhythm directly through the text itself. Let's start with commas. A comma creates a short, natural breath pause. This is useful when you want to briefly separate ideas without making the reading feel too choppy. If a sentence feels like it's moving too fast, adding a comma can help slow it down just enough for better clarity. Next, periods and question marks create a more complete pause, the kind you'd normally hear at the end of a sentence. This is a good option when you want a clear break before the next thought begins. If you're trying to make the voice sound more deliberate and organized, ending shorter sections with periods can make a big difference. You can also use ellipses, which are those 3 dots in a row. Ellipses create a longer, more noticeable trailing pause. This works especially well when you want to add emphasis, suspense, or a more reflective pacing to the way the text is read aloud. Just be careful not to overuse them, or the audio may start to feel too slow. Finally, line breaks or paragraph enters create a stronger structural pause. When you place text on a new line or start a new paragraph, Speechify resets its reading flow before continuing. This is helpful for separating sections, listing ideas more clearly, or making the audio easier for listeners to process. So if you want to add pauses in Speechify, the key is to adjust your punctuation and formatting with intention. Small changes in the text can have a big impact on how the speech sounds when it's read aloud.